Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here and we are going to work on this little vessel in Roxy's Journal of Stitchery. So all I've done from last week is cantha stitch. I stitched everything down. I did 3 rows of little running stitch here and then I've just cantha stitched it and I love the feel of it. I've got threads on that side so I don't know if I'm going to cover that up or not. And I did want to add, isn't it cute? I did want to add something else to it. I'm not going to do too much on it because I just really like it and want to embrace the beautiful rust dyed fabric by Michaela and all of the little bits and pieces that are on there. But Mum, I was chatting to Mum and she was like, you've got that beautiful these embroideries. I think I gave Mum one and I like to use the bits and pieces out of these. Oops. So I'm just going to cut this sprig here, but I also love this rose and I'm wondering if I want to add the rose to it. So my scissors are not wanting to cut because they've done so much cutting over the last week. Okay, so I love to cut these up and sort of recompose them, put them in a different setting kind of. What does Kate say? Harvesting. I love that, Kate. You're harvesting. We're harvesting here. Kate does her harvesting before. So she has a basket of things that have all been harvested, ready to go, and stitch onto her projects. I feel like I need to do that too. It's a good idea, Kate. That's Kate from the Journal Nest, who is our new YouTube friend, and as many YouTubers who I did enjoy watching disappeared, and some don't do it anymore and some moved over to Patreon. Yep, they disappeared, and so there's I have my favorites, a few, and then the rest have all gone. So welcome to anyone who does YouTube and enjoy what you're doing. You find we don't connect with everybody. You don't, even though they might make lovely things. Not everybody connects with me. Quite often people don't connect with me and they let me know. in a nice way and some in not such a nice way. But it's okay. Not everybody can like you. Can't please everyone. So I have this one. Oh, let's cut this one out too because we need to audition the 2 pieces. I don't know whether I want that little sprig there or not. I just felt like, and Mum felt like, a little pop of blue, something would be nice on it. I'll cut this, or the main bit off here, because it's getting in my way. That's what I recommend even when you're fussy cutting paper. Is just cut the bulk of it off and then get into the nitty-gritty. I probably should use my smaller scissors, but I just don't feel like looking for them. So I will do this, and I may not stitch it online because we did the other one together, but I will come back and we'll have a look at it, and then we might revise what's been made over these past 6 months. I've got to stretch my brain and think about it. So hopefully my sister has been able to get her video done this week. I haven't chatted to her since last week because she's very busy. She's just got really busy time of the year, school reports and stuff, and then all the sport she does her own sport, and then all the school sport and everything. So she does get overwhelmed sometimes and just can't get all the things done that she wants to. So you guys just that she's not unwell. She's just busy. Right, so I'm hoping to see a video from Sarah today. I'm pre-recording it, as you know, because one of my oldest friends is going to be here on Wednesday, so I need to leave my phone on and not have it on airplane mode. I've got the hiccups doing videos. So no, this one is not really working for me. Let me just sort of hold it up like that. And I think Mum's right. This one with the sprigs is better because it splays out. Yep, that's it. Do I want to add those? No, I don't. I think I'm just going to have that there. Yeah, I'm going to have that there. Okay, so I will stitch this down. All I'm going to do is use this plain thread. I'm not even going to pin it. I'm just going to do an overcast stitch around the edge. This is nice and stiff, stitching it onto the felt. Oops. So just stitch this on. It was a pretty snappy decision. Oh my goodness. They're such fun little things to do, aren't they? And I do want to eventually make one of the bowls as well. I love Pam's bowls. I know I said that last week, but I'm saying it again because I'm thinking about them and loving them. And I think I'm going to love my sister's bowl when I see it. Because it was already looking great when we last saw it. Okay. So we're not quite halfway yet. I think when we get to the top, we'll be halfway, but I'm going to run out of thread. Ow, and I stabbed myself. So Lulu has finished her written exams, and well, one was design. It was 18 hours of design, and they had to make an actual, you know, architecture model of a part of their design project. And Lulu was pretty pleased. She got it done. She said it was more precise than her practice run at home, because at home she just she didn't have the right kind of special cardboard that they used to make them. She had to use cardboard box, and so it was a bit harder to cut, and we didn't have a great Stanley knife either, so it was a bit blunt, so she struggled a bit more at home, so it was less precise, but at least she knew how she wanted to proceed. I'm just going to cut that. It's not holding anything, it's just the cantha stitching. It got a loop. And she did manage to write the sort of essay explaining her project, and I like that. And she got all of the colouring in, because she had to, you know, sort of represent the colours and colour it all in and stuff, and she got everything done, so she was pretty pleased. I think they already get results today or tomorrow. Some of her friends that are in different schools already, or different section of her school, they did a different course. Oh, I missed that bit. They already know, so fingers are crossed for Lulu. And then Saturday she's got the 1 hour interrogation. Doesn't sound terrible. And then she's done with school, and then she's got to get on and study. She's going to go and whoop it up on Saturday night with her friends, and then she's got to study for the university entrance exams. So it's a bit of a long, difficult time for them, but it'll be done, and then she'll be able to relax. I think we might go away in August to see my aunt. I have to actually connect with her, but I was just waiting for all of this, you know, to know that all the dates with these school things. So we might drive over to Spain. It's North Spain. It's only like very close to the French border, and she has a house there, and we haven't been for many. I used to go there all the time, and we haven't been for a long time, so because we've been busy. So we must go and do that, and Lulu will be able to relax and enjoy. I've gone quiet, but I'm just trying to whiz around here and not hold you up. I might just give you a tap and make sure you're in focus. So I'll just construct the little vessel off camera because you saw me do that last week. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just going to hold it closed and put it over my circle template thing and decide which one to cut out. And I was just thinking I might just do my base in felt, not worry too much about it, whether it's, you know, fancy or not, because you can't really see it. But one thing I would like to do before I go off and do that, which is why I'm making you sit through this, is I just wanted to see, did I want to put anything inside? I mean, you won't be able to see it so much, so I wouldn't put too much precious stuff, but I might want to put a little something in there. So we'll just have a look at that. Oh, and I'll show you another thing I was thinking of. Ow. But we can make those decisions before I go off and stitch it. That's it. We made it. Is over the join, where I join it at the back, I was thinking I might, you know, put a piece of fabric. So I would do that before. So this is overhanging, but I thought I might just stitch it on anyway. So there, see, it's a bit plain. I could put something there. I mean, I could put that there, for example. Oh, I might do that. Put that there, down that way. Once it's stitched closed, I think I might whiz that on there. And then I was just thinking in here, let's just have a little play. I'll just see what I can find here quickly. I just stay in the theme of the blues. I might like a little piece of, just would like a torn piece of fabric. Do I want to maybe have, what's there? No, I don't want to go there, but maybe I'd like something like that to happen. Let's see. I could pin it. See, I kind of like that. Or would I like this color? These are just quilting cottons that they're probably not, you know, discontinued ones. I got them from Melanie at Purveyor of Reclaimed Textiles. I think I might have it that way. No, I think I like the other colour more. That's too bright. So I might just have this. I'll just stitch this on. I'll probably use the navy blue cotton. I'm going to have a little bit of that there. Yes, I like that. And you can see that, you see, because that's at the back. You can't really notice those stitches in there so much, so I'm not going to go bonkers. I think I'm just going to add that piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach that off camera, and then I'll close this here, and then I'm going to attach this like so. Just go around it like I did the other one and attach my base, and then I will be back. You don't need to see me go do all of that stuff. So I'll see you soon. Hey, this crowded scene. This is what we've done in the last 6 months. So I finished off this little one. Let me show you that first, and then we'll go over. Oh dear, all the things that we did makes me feel tired. So here's this little one. I just finished it off. Isn't it cute? Just tap you, make sure you're in focus. So I'll just go around slowly. Someone complained that I whizzed around too fast and you couldn't see the other one the other day. So isn't that cute? So I made a little vessel there. I was lucky again. One of the circles in my template worked, and it's really nice and rigid with that felt. And I just did a little whip stitch around here because I felt like it finished it off a little bit better at the top, and I absolutely love it. So this was last week's that we finished, the first vessel. I'll go around slowly so you can see it, and that had the quilted bottom there. So that's that one. So that was our project number 6 for the 6 months. Oh, and aren't they cute together? I'll have to lie them down so you can see like that. So I do want to have a third, so I'll finish off my other one over time, and then I'll have 3. But with the felt inside, super, super rigid. So the project before this was our box, which I absolutely love, and it's exploding with stuff. This one. So we'll just, oh, you can't see inside, but yeah, I love it. I'm just carrying it around the house with me with all things that I'm using, and it had the paper and the trims around the edge. Absolutely love that. Inspired by the trims and Kelly. And before that, what did we do? Oh, I think we did this, the drawstring bag, or whatever bag. It was a whatever bag, a dilly bag. I love that down there, like that. It was all just hand stitched. Everything was hand stitched, and all the embroidery and the dingle dangles. I love those. And so that was super fun project. And then we did, I think before that we did the cuff, which was lovely. I enjoyed that as well. So super pretty, and yeah, just love all the collaging and everything on there. And then before that we did the horsewhip I was working on that a bit when I was in Australia, and absolutely love that. That was super fun, and lots of people enjoyed that. And some people, like Beck from So Be Created, she's made heaps of them, and we even made buttons for this one. Oh no, we made the buttons for the trifold pouch, which was our very first project, and I had nearly lost it. I couldn't find it, but here it is, and I absolutely love that too. Really, really, really pretty. Love the colours, and put one of my favourite Busak fabrics in there, and it's got a little pocket inspired by Catherine from K3 something. I've forgotten. Sorry. She just had put a pocket in her trifold pouch, which I hadn't done before. I've made not 100, but a lot of trifold pouches, and I hadn't put a pocket in like that before, so I really enjoyed that. So I hope you enjoyed this 6-month journey with us as Roxy's Journal of Stitchery, and we are now going to be going on with our new project as of next week, which I cannot believe. I'm not ready for it, but we'll get there. So thank you so much for joining us. I hope you'll join us for the next one. It will be fun as per usual, and I will see you again soon. Bye.